Here is our representation of our CIS550 final project, and here is the login and the register page. Before login, requesting any URL will be redirected to the login page, and if the user doesn't have their own account, the user can register a new account here. After login, it will redirect to the main page. The main page is similar to a typical normal search engine like Google, so we can enter the name of the anime here, for example Gintama, and then click the Find Your Love button. Then it will jump to the search result page. So here is the list of the anime, and they are sorted by the score. Besides, we also provide some buttons, for example the most viewed button, which will sort all the anime according to the number of audience, and the highly rated button lists all the anime based on the scores, and the new button lists all the anime according to the aired date. When we use the producer button, we can just find some anime produced by a specific producer. For example, here we can use Kadokawa and click the Find Your Love. So it lists all the anime produced by Kadokawa. And the genre button lists some type of the anime. For example, I can use the fantasy. And the result list here displayed some anime belong to the fantasy type. And we can use the user button here to search the user using their nickname or ID. For example, I can just use 101. Here lists some user whose nickname or the user ID is related to 101. If we just click the result here, we will direct it to the anime information page. Here's some information about the anime, like the airtime, producer, and the introduction and the score. And here we also represent the audience receptions score, and here lists the comments about this anime provided by some users. And we can also click the person here, and we just direct it to this person's profile. Let's open another profile. As an example, here's the anime that he liked, and the favorite anime type, like for him is comedy and slice of life. And here's a friend's recommendation and the watch list completion rate. So the anime marked as watched is 1, and the percentage of liked anime watched is about 6%. And here's the comments. That's all the functions that we did for this project, and thank you for watching.